In this lesson, we're going to help you set up PrintMate to best meet your needs. For the first time, we've given you control over how our print management tool looks and functions. Let's get started and take a look. Start by clicking on Settings. On the main page of Settings, you'll make some choices about the appearance of PrintMate by clicking the boxes you want to apply. If you're using the print and cut functionality, you can choose whether or not you always see the registration mark prompt on the setting page. You can also choose to be prompted to cut after each print. Another choice you can make is whether files stay open in PrintMate or close after printing. If you are using spot colors, which we will talk about in our color lesson, you can enable this function here. Finally, you can choose whether your measurements in PrintMate will display in inches or millimeters. The main function of the Devices tab is that if you have multiple printers, you can choose the printer that shows up first by setting it as default. You'll also notice that you can access your printer utilities from here. That includes printing nozzle checks and performing head cleans, tools you would need to perform maintenance checks on your printer. The Manage Page Sizes tab allows you to choose your default paper size and add custom paper sizes. The Settings tab is also where you would configure your Send to PrintMate and Spot color options. The Print to File tab is a feature that our care team may instruct you to use during troubleshooting. That's it. You now know how to use the Settings tabs and customize your PrintMate experience. Thank you for watching. Please continue with our Sawgrass Academy courses to learn even more about how to find success with your Sawgrass system.